kind of somewhere we've been before. We worked our way up to central Nevada. We're kind of in what we're going to leave as an undisclosed location. We made some promises to a few people when we came here the first time that we wouldn't share this location. It's kind of special. It's really tucked away. It's very secluded. So we've worked our way up through, like I said, to central Nevada. Kind of the goal for tonight, and we're hoping it still works. Really still hoping it works. We came up here. It's one of the darkest spots in the continental United States, where up here in central Nevada, there's really not a whole lot of light pollution. So what you have access to is some pretty significantly impressive astrophotography. So I'm meeting our buddy Chris, guy that drives the F-150. You've probably seen him in other videos. We're gonna go kind of meet them. We're gonna try and situate and find camp on the dirt road we just turned off of. Probably it's about 40 miles onto this dirt road up into the mountains. So we're gonna work our way up there. So far it hasn't been too bad. Just dealing with a lot of washout. It is monsoon season, or what they call monsoon season here in the Southwest. It's really funny because they say it kicks in the 1st of July, and it's basically rained every day since July the 1st. So we're having to deal with a lot of washout. Gonna get to test these new icons that I installed on the truck over the past 2 weeks. So we're gonna try and have some fun, work our way up here. Hopefully it doesn't take us too long. We can find Chris and make camp and get ready for some really cool astrophotography. Okay, so this is actually where I was supposed to meet Chris. This is where we camped last time when it snowed. I'll put a picture up of that right now. My best guess is that we were supposed to end up somewhere kind of up on top of this ridge. And I'm something to the tune of like 2.5 hours later than I said I was gonna be. So what we're gonna end up doing is, how about this? He actually left me a note. So, Chris, you got your note? We'll be there in a minute. So I found them. So basically they said they went all the way down to where this road stops really being anything other than desert, and turned and came back. So I was just lucky I caught them on the way back. So following them back to camp now. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. That way we can kind of hang out and I can actually get set up not in the dark, which would be nice.
So finally made it to camp. Gonna get set up real quick. Not a bad little spot overall. But hopefully Milky Way is gonna come out that way. Be able to do some pretty good astrophotography tonight. Hopefully the clouds kind of move out of the way. But beyond that, looks good.
That was me yesterday. I went and got Greek food, and I ate like a whole bunch of hummus. So we decided to take this morning pretty slow. Everybody slept in as long as we could. So once the sun got up, it got really warm inside the tent. So we just kind of took our time. Had a really great camp spot here by the stream. Stars last night were just unbelievable. I mean, it's just so dark up here. It's hard not to just have a great view. On our way down to a different spot, the second reason we were up here today was to shoot a walk-around video of Chris's F-150. I've had so many people ask, you know, to do a video of his truck. It's a really nice truck. It's really well built. So we're gonna go just shoot a little walk-around video of his, I believe it's like a 2015 or 2016 F-150 F4X. He's done a few things to it, so we're gonna go do that. You guys are gonna see a little behind the scenes action on that, which will be neat. And then we're gonna start heading back. So we're gonna go over here and be at this spot here in just a second and let you guys kind of see what goes into the making of a behind the scenes truck walk around video. All right, well, that's pretty much it. That was just got done with the walk around video. We are going to let Chris get done packed up, and then we're going to start heading back to Vegas. It's been a good little weekend. Had a lot of fun. Glad we got to do all that astrophotography last night. But we're gonna get it all packed up now and start heading back.